Alright, check out the bees. The Ubiquiti 48-500. I just made a little upgrade. And listen to the fan, it's so quiet. Just start it on. Let's wait for it. There. I got this one from eBay for $150, including the shipping. And that's the cover. Alright, now it's on idle mode. It's so quiet. And the fan, I got it from Amazon. It's called Arctic. I think it's 7 fin. And here, so I'm just gonna screw this in right there, both sides. So the air is going this side, going in, and it comes up here. Same thing here. Alright, let's check it on the inside. Let me open this. Tight, I gotta push it back a little bit. There you go. So quiet.